Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well and hope everybody had a great weekend. So today I wanted to do a quick lesson with you, a quick news to you article, something that you guys I know are familiar with. We used to do it in class a few times a week. So what we're going to do is what I'm going to do is read this news to you article with you and ask you some questions during the article. And then also at the very end, what we'll do is have a couple worksheets or a couple problems that we're going to go over as well. All right. So if now's not a good time for you to listen, you can pause it. You can always come back to this video. So we are wrapping up school, guys. Only have really a few days left. So if you have any questions about anything towards the end of the school year, just let me know. And other than that, let's get this started on your lesson today. All right. So news to you: the ocean cleanup. That is what we're reading about. Ocean cleanup. All right. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see the screen. All right, so the ocean cleanup. June 8th is World Oceans Day. All right, June the 8th. So that's 1 week from today. So next Monday is World Oceans Day. People help celebrate oceans on this day. Oceans around the world are full of trash. All right,
An inventor is
whoops,
working to
there you go. An inventor is working to clean up oceans. All right, so guys, who can tell me what an inventor is or who an inventor is? Okay, good job. An inventor is someone who creates things or makes things. Okay. All right. So the inventor,
flat.
Boyan Slat is how you say his name. So the inventor is Boyan Slat. He is from the Netherlands. So he's not from the United States. He's actually from the Netherlands. Boyan started a group called the Ocean Cleanup. The Ocean Cleanup studies the problem of trash in the oceans. Trash in the oceans can hurt ocean life. So guys, trash in the oceans can hurt fish, can hurt plants. Why do you think this is? Why do you think trash isn't good for ocean life? Yes, good job. Because if a fish is swimming along and he swallows a piece of plastic and it goes into his stomach, he's not gonna be able to digest it and he can become sick from that. And also, trash that gets like wrapped around turtles or wrapped around other kinds of fish or plants, can be very harmful for the fish. All right. So, what did he invent? The ocean cleanup makes inventions to clean up oceans. So, they're cleaning up oceans. One invention collects trash in the oceans. Most trash in oceans is plastic. So, plastic is the main trash that you will find in oceans. The plastic includes old grocery bags and even straws. The plastic straws that you get at restaurants, those can be really bad if you don't throw them away and recycle them. And um, if you throw them on the ground, they can end up being very harmful to animals. The ocean cleanup recycles the plastic to make new things. So recycling, guys. So this symbol right here, the symbol for recycling. Remember how we talked about how you can make new things with it? If you recycle, so recycling is definitely a good thing. All right, so let's go to the next page. Most trash in oceans is from rivers. Okay, so the rivers that flow into the ocean, if you think about it, that's how the trash can get into the oceans by the rivers. So here we go. Many rivers flow into oceans, and the trash in the rivers flows into oceans too. The Ocean Cleanup announced a new invention in 2019, and this invention collects trash in rivers. The new invention looks like a boat. So it looks like a boat and it floats on a river, and the invention uses energy from the sun. The energy moves a conveyor belt on the invention. So the energy from the sun moves the belt on the invention. And the conveyor belt scoops trash out of the river. So it's very eco-friendly. So using the sun, it moves the belt to scoop the trash out of the river. So they don't even need to use gas or any other types of things to get it moving, which is pretty cool. The trash goes up the conveyor belt and the trash goes into the dumpsters inside the invention. And the invention has a computer. Workers get a message when the dumpsters are full. Workers empty the dumpsters and sort out the trash. So this, guys, is very good, a good way to clean up trash and clean up the ocean. All right, so now I'm going to click this to see how it works, okay? See if it pulls up for us. So this is how the Inceptor works. You ready to watch the video?
The Ocean Cleanup develops technology.
All right. So that was a good visual, hopefully, for you guys to be able to see how the invention works and how it works to clean up the trash. So it's pretty cool stuff. So that's a very neat thing they're doing. All right. So the next thing I want us to do is work on a couple problems that we have here. Now this is math, okay? So the first thing I want us to do is this problem. In 2016, an inventor made how many inventions? So, how many do we have here? One, right? So you're going to put a 1 right here. All right. And now the inventor made how many inventions in 2019? 1, 2. Okay. So the 2 goes right here. Okay. Now I want you guys to do this. Some of you guys can do this in your head, and some of you guys might need to use a calculator or use some counting blocks, but we're going to have 1 here, 1 plus 2 equals, so it says how many inventions did the inventor make all together? So all together, remember guys, that word all together, we're going to add. Okay, we're going to add. 1 plus 2 equals what? 3. Good job, guys. Yes, 3. All right. Now here's from another story. It says in 2018, a family visited blank oceans. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. So we're going to put the 5 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 here. In 2017, the family visited blank oceans. 1, 2, 3. Good. So we're going to do 3 here. All right. So it says, how many more oceans did the family visit in 2018 and 2017? So this one we're going to what? What sign is this right here? Good job. Yes, it's subtraction. So we're going to do 5 minus 3. And what do we get if we do 5 minus 3? Good job. We'll get 2. The answer is 2. They visited 2 more oceans in 2018 and 2017. All right. Now the last little lesson that we have today is time to the hour. So we're doing hour, guys. Okay. So I want you guys to go ahead, and if you guys can go ahead and do this on your own, go ahead and work down the page. Okay. And just, you don't have to write it down. You can write down if you'd like to, or just say it out loud. Like, this first clock is what? Is it 11 o'clock or is it 6 o'clock? What do you guys think it is? 11. Good job. Because remember, the little hand is pointing to the what? The 11. Okay. So these are just to the hour. So just remember, all you're looking at is that little hand. Okay. Because the big hand's always going to be pointing to the 12 when we're talking about to the hour. So the little hand. Now on this one, where's the little hand pointing, guys? I'll go down. Where's it pointing to? Good job. 8. So it's 8 o'clock. Okay. Now here, where's the little hand pointing to, guys? 1. Very good. 1 o'clock. All right. We got the big hand pointing to the 12. The little hand is pointing to the what, guys? What's this little hand pointing to? 4. Very good. All right. And last but not least, this little hand's pointing straight down, and straight down is a what? What time is it? 6 o'clock. Good job. Okay. So guys, continue to work on your math, okay, and your reading as well. These sight words that we saw in the story, some of the sight words that we've been working on the past weeks you saw in the story. So what I encourage you to do is go back through the story and maybe find some of those sight words. Maybe write them out if you'd like to. Just keep continuing to work with your numbers. And guys, I know you guys are doing great work, and I encourage you to, you know, work, but also, don't overdo it. Enjoy yourself. Make sure you guys are getting plenty of sunshine on nice days. I don't want you guys to be sitting around the computer all day. I want you guys to be out doing things and exercising, and just enjoying this nice weather, especially that we have today. And guys, we are kind of wrapping up the school year. So again, if you have any questions about anything wrapping up the year, just let me know. I'm here for you. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great Monday and a good rest of the week. And yeah, I'll be talking to each one of you guys by the end of the year. And hopefully, I want you guys to reach out to me too. So I want you guys to call me, questions or anything that comes up. But I will be reaching out to everybody by the end of the year, and hopefully, I'll talk to every one of you guys soon. All right, we all have a great Monday and a good rest of the week. Bye.